Hello, it's me, Ademola Oladoja, one more time. In this particular video, what we want to do is to do a very funny stunt. I'm trying to create I want to double an account. That is, the account is $1,000. I want to make the account to be $2,000 by the end of the trade, which is 100% return on capital, which is what most traders are bent on doing. And I want to show you that truly is possible. And I also want to show you the risk involved and how you should not trade. And this is how you should not trade. So let's go to the trade. Let's go to MetaTrader and see how it goes. Now you see the account balance is $1,000, and this $1,000, the intention is to turn it to $2,000. So in this trade, we want to analyze the market, see what's going on. Well, the trade is going to go down. I want to click on a sell. Yes, sell. Okay, we have executed a sell, and we're looking forward for the sell to touch the red line I just drew at this support line. So let's see how the trade goes. We have to wait for it. Now what you are looking at there at the base is the spread. That's the spread, and yes, the spread, the broker will take the spread, and it's when the trade goes in our favor, that's when the spread will turn from a negative figure to a positive figure, and we'll start making profit. Okay, now this is 11, that's 12 minutes past 11, it's 30 minutes past 11 now. The trade is still on. I had to quickly fast forward the charts so that you won't have to wait long. So the trade is still on, and we're still looking at what's going to happen. Now right now, yes, I fast forward the trade again, and this is 11:29. now the trade has gone against us about 100 pips if I'm not mistaken. Now you have minus $116, meaning that had it been we have made a heavy lot, it will have, okay, that's okay, 115 pips gap between when we entered and the current position. And I'm going to place another order. I'm going to buy because the trade has gone against us. I'm going to click on buy right now. So you see, I'm using 4 lots to enter this trade, which is a very heavy one. So the 4 lots, yeah, right now I'm entering a buy. The 4 lots going to counter the sell, which is against us, meaning that I've made 3 lots trade for the buy. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to come near buy. Okay, now you see that pink color, it means in the next few moves against this trade, the account will be wiped out completely. So whenever you see that pink color, it means there's danger on the way. So you see the trade is going in my favor now, and that's why the pink has disappeared, and we see that the candles are forming. Right now the market is turning bullish. That's the what I'm seeing here. So let's see what happens in the next few minutes. See how the market will be. One thing I also want to point out to you is that you see we have $1,000 as the capital that we used in investing in this trade, and right there you see the equity. This is the equity, and we see the margin. We have also the free margin. Now there's a lot of risk if you are entering trades with 4 lots on a $1,000 account, because 4 lots means you are making $40 per pip, or you are losing $40 per pip. And what it also means is that 200 pips against you, your account is gone. So you lose all the money. If the trade goes against you 250 pips, you lose the entire money. So as you can see now, we're already having some profits. We have $450 as profit. That's really ridiculous. It's as if you invest $1,000 and what's the time now? 11:50. Yeah, 11:51. Within few minutes, you have made 47% return on capital. Okay, I've closed the buy trade right now. I've closed the buy trade. So what, sorry, I've closed the sell trade, and what remains now is the buy trade, and I'm going to leave it to see what's going to happen. It's already turning pink, meaning that if that trade goes against me, the account will be closed. So I won't want that to happen, but let's still look at what's going to happen. Now what remains now is the buy trade, which is the long position we are taking on GBP JPY 1 minute chart. Okay, this is 14 minutes past 1, 15 minutes past 1 now. So 15 minutes past 1, you see that this trade has gone in our favor, and I've made $752 as profit. But what we can see here is in the equity, you see I've made $1,565. So that is it. I've made 56% of the initial capital. Now we see that the support region is really strong, and the buy signal is what is really working. Well, though we have not been able to double the account, but we are able to make almost 60% profit on this trade. Within how many minutes? We have made more than 50% return on capital. Well, it sounds exciting, but this is not the best way to trade. So I'm going to close this trade very soon, and we have now $857 as profits, and we have here 670. So I'm going to close the trade. I think I've had enough. Close order, close. Okay, so that's it.